Good morning students, God bless you. Welcome to Maths class 9th standard. Last class we have discussed scientific notation. Okay. In this section we are going to see about applications of scientific notation. Okay. Exercise 2.8, third question. Represent the following numbers in scientific notation. Okay. The first question, solution. This is 3 lakh 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 0 the whole square into this is 20,000 2 and 4 0 1 2 3 4 zeros power 4 which is equal to. In this slide given the question how to write the scientific notation. Watch clearly. So first consider the bracket value. First form this number in scientific notation. Okay. Consider here the last zero get the decimal point means making the shifting right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So in this number can be write 3 into 10 power 5 power 2. Is it or not? This is the scientific notation. Or 3.0. So write as in 0 because after the decimal 0 is not value already I told. Okay. So then into, so same manner consider here not be given the decimal means we consider last number get the decimal. So here the decimal point making the shift right to left 1 2 3 4 4 shifting 2.0 into 10 power 4 because here the decimal 1 2 3 4 shift may we get this line. This is the scientific notation of the bracket value. Then expand the power, this 2 common for the both the terms. So 3 power 2 3 power 2 into 10 power 5 the whole square. The same manner here 2 power for 2.0 can be write 2 okay, into 10 power 4 power 4. Okay. This 10 power 4 also get the power 4 which is equal to 3 square. What's the value? 9. 3 3s are 9 into 10 power a power m the whole power n. What is the exponential formula? A power mn the product of powers. 5 2s are 10 into 2 power 4. 2 multiplying 4 times we get 16. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. So this value is 16 into 10 power 4 4s are 16. The same manner. Since the formula is a power m, the whole power m equal to a power mn. This is your formula. Don't forget. Okay. Then comparing the numbers, this is 9 16s are 144. Okay. 9 6 are 54, balance 5. 1 9s are 9, 9 plus 5, 14. Then into 10 power, this is also exponential group. The base are equal means making the sum of the powers. So 10 plus 16 is 26. So now this is the simplest form, but this is not a scientific form because the left hand side of decimal is only one non-zero number. Here the three non-zero numbers. So 144 can be right. Consider the decimal here means making the shift right to left 1 2. So 1.4444 into 10 power 2. So 2 shift 1 2 into 10 power 26 and which is equal to 1.44 into 10 power 2 plus 26 so 28. That's all. This is the scientific notation of the given question. Have you understood? The solution, the second question was 0.12345 3450 then 1 power 11 divided by 0.005 power 3 which is equal. in the same manner. First converting this number, this decimal number into scientific form. Okay. So here decimal is there. Then making the shift left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 shifting. So 1.0 now get into 10 power minus 6. Is it or not? The shift making left to right, we get negative exponents. The whole power 11 divided by the same manner decimal is there, making the shift left to right. 1, 2, 3. We write 5.0 into 10 power minus 3. Cos 1, 2, 3 shift we make. Then whole power 3. This 11 common for both the terms. So 1 is there. So 1 power 11 into 10 power minus 6 whole power 11 is divided by 5 power 3 into 10 power minus 3 whole power 3. Expand the power. So 1 power 11. 1 multiplying 11 times we get 1. So 1 multiplying n times also 1. Okay. Into 10 power minus 6 into 11. The exponential rule. A power m, the whole power m. So product of the powers. So 10 power 6 11s are 66. So minus 66. This is divided by 5 power 3 means 5 multiplying 3 times we get 125. 5 cube. 5 is 25, 25 is 125. Into 10 power percent minus into plus minus 3 is 9. Okay. Now we get this number. Here I write the continuous. So 1 into 10 power minus 66 divided by 125 into 10 power minus 9. Okay, which is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 66. So making the transformation, we get plus 9. Is it or not? Whole divided by 125. Okay, 1 into 10 power minus 66 plus 9. Minus 66 plus 9, we get 1 divided by 125 into 10 power minus 57. Is it or not? Okay, minus 66 plus 9, we get minus 57. So, first find out this answer. What is the value of 1 by 125? 1 divided by 125. This is not sufficient, so making the decimal point add 1 0. Okay, then this is also not sufficient, so adding 1 0. Okay, then adding 1 more 0, this is also not sufficient, adding another 1 0, then adding 0, this is sufficient value. So 8 times of 125 is 1000. So 1 divided by 125 we get 0.008 into 10 power minus 57. I understood. So divide 1 divided by 125 we get this answer. This is also not in scientific notation because left hand side of decimal point to non-zero number. So making the shift left to right, we get a negative exponents. 1, 2, 3. So 8.0 into 10 power minus 3. So making the 3 shift into 10 power minus 5, which is equal to 8 into 10 power. The sum of the powers, base are equal. Sum of the powers, 3 plus 57, 60 minus 60. This is the scientific notation of the given question. Have you understood the answer? Okay. Okay, dear student, next fourth question. Represent the following information in scientific notation. Here also I want to write the scientific notation. The solution. The first question. The world population is nearly this. Okay, this is the world population. This number I want to write in the form of scientific notation. So now present the decimal, so last. So making the shifting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this number can be write 7.0 into 10 power. The shift making right to left, so we get positive exponents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 power 9. That's all. This is the world population. 7.0 into 10 power 9. That's all the scientific notation of first question. Then the second question, the scientific notation of 1 light year means the distance, this number. Okay. Now also consider the decimal in loss. The 9460 5284 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0, which is equal to, now consider the decimal in last, so making the shift right to left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 15 moves. 9.4605 284. That's all. Into 10 power 15. Cause the number of shifting is 15. And also the unit is kilometer. Here not be given, so no need to write the unit. Population, the number of members. Okay, that's all the scientific notation of the second question. The left side of non-zero number is below 10 value, that means a non-zero number. Then this is the exponential form, a into 10 power n. Okay. Then the third question, mass of an electron is, electron mass is given, this is a given number, so write the given number 0. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 times of 000. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 8 9 10 times, then 9 1 0 9 3 8 2 2, which is equal to, this number equal to. Now even the decimal is here, so making the shift left to right, we get the negative exponents. Okay, left to right, here 3. So in this like 10 we make here 30. Is it or not? Okay, 30. Here 31. So 9.1093822 into 10 power minus 31. Is it or not? Because that 10 times of 00, 30. Here 31. As left side we want to non-zero number. Okay, so 9 is the non-zero number. So 9.1093822 into 10 power minus 31 in kg. This is the mass of electron. That's all the scientific notation. Have you understood? Okay, dear student. Next fifth question. Simplify the questions. This is the arithmetic form of the scientific notation. The solution. First question, 2.75 into 10 power 7 plus 1.23 into 10 power 8. So in this slide given the question, we consider the powers. Is that 10 power 8, 10 power 7. So which one is the greater? This is the greater. So this value converted into 10 power 8. So how to convert? Okay. So here making the decimal right to left, we get the positive exponents. So this decimal shifted one value, we get 0.275 into 10 power 1. Is it or not? So making the SIP into 10 power 7 into 1.23 into 10 power 8. So is equal to 0.275 into 10 power 1 plus 7, 8 plus 1.23 into 10 power 8. Now we get the like powers 10 power 8, 10 power 8. So the 10 power 8 is common, taken outside we get 0.275 plus 1.23. That's all. Then the sum of this value, so 1.23 is 0.275. Sum of this value. Here is 0. 5. 7 plus 3, 10. Carry 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Then this one. So 1.505 into 10 power 8. This is the scientific notation. Simplest form of the first question. Solution of the second question. 1.598 into 10 power 17 minus 4.58 into 10 power 15. So now consider the powers. This is 17, this is 15. So convert the 15 into 17 because this is the greater one. Okay, converting the greater one. So 1.598 into 10 power 17. The first value is fixed. The second value. So making the shift towards right to left, we get the positive exponent. So making the shift 1, 2 because 2 is wanted. 15 plus 2 only is 17. Okay. So 1, 2. One more 0. So 0.0458. Because here the decimal 1, 2. 2 shift you make. This is 10 power 2 into already you have 10 power 15. Have you understood the step? Okay. It is equal to 1.598 into 10 power 17 minus 0.0458 into 10 power 17. Now both the powers are equal, 10 power 17 and 10 power 17. So 10 power 17 is the common. The remaining 1.598 minus 0.0458. Then subtracting the two values 1.598 and 0.0458. We are adding 1 0. Making the subtraction here 10. This is 7. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Then 7 minus 5 is 2. And 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 0 5. And this is 1 point. This is equal to 1.5522 into 10 power 17. That's all the answer of the second question. I understood. The third question is the multiplication. The third question 1.02 into 10 power 10 into 1.20 into 10 power minus 3. This is a multiplication. Here no need to convert the highest power because directly multiplying the numbers. 1.02 into 10 power 10, remove the bracket, into 1.20 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. So multiplying these two numbers, so 102 and 12. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 0 2s are 0, 1 2s are 2. Then 1 2s are 2, 0 and 1 1s are 1. 4 2 2 1. Then this 0. Okay. Then overall converting the decimal 1 2 3 4, 4 number, 1 2 3 4 numbers. Here the decimal. So product of these two values is 1.2240 into 10 power. This is the base are equal. So sum of the power 10 minus 3. Is equal to 1.2240 into 10 power 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. That's all the answer of third question. In these sums, you have fourth sum. The fourth sum is your homework. Dear students, today's homework, book page number 72, 73 and 74. Example 2.30 and 2.31. Exercise 2.8, question number 3, third subdivision. Question number 5, fourth subdivision. Okay. This is all your today homework. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you.